Starting with number 10, Royal Caribbean Cruises. Watch this cruise operator. It is rising the pre-market after getting a positive mention from Citigroup. Citi says that cruise trends have been improving in the past month, partly because of increased promotional activity. Dom?
Yeah, number 9, Betty, is Jose A. Bank, the men's clothing maker, reported earnings and sales this morning that beat analyst estimates. The company plans to expand to 800 stores around the U.S. with up to 50 new openings in just the upcoming year. Josh.
And number 8, Movado. Shares of the watchmaker rose over 17% yesterday to their highest price since 2007. That's after the company raised its full-year forecast. But this morning, both Capstone and Citigroup downgraded the company, causing shares to give up some of yesterday's gains. Betty?
Well, Eli Lilly is another company to watch. The pharmaceutical maker has stopped ongoing clinical trials of a schizophrenia treatment after an independent study raised some doubts about its effectiveness. Eli Lilly shares are up over 7%, though, for the year. Julie?
Well, keep an eye on Zynga at number 6. The online game company's chief creative officer, Mike Verdu, is leaving the company to start his own business. Zynga has been struggling to maintain its leadership team, and Verdu is the 5th manager to leave this month alone. Josh?
And number 5 is KKR. The global asset manager is set to be in talks to take a majority stake in the Japanese chip maker Renesas, which supplies Apple and Nintendo. A person familiar with the discussion said that KKR could spend about $1.3 billion on the deal. Betty?
And this is not a stock to watch, but your number 4 is oil. Crude futures have fallen from their highest closing prices in a week as Hurricane Isaac makes landfall in the United States. In the meantime, the G7 countries calling on oil-producing nations to increase their output.
Yeah, number 3, Betty, is Joy Global. Shares of the mining equipment maker are down in the pre-market after the company cut its full-year forecast and earnings came in below estimates. Shares are down almost 30% for the year. Jules?
Number 2, WellPoint. The second largest U.S. health insurer CEO Angela Braly resigned yesterday under pressure from shareholders. Investors are said to be looking for a new CEO who can potentially boost the company's financial performance. Betty?
A food company makes our number 1 stock to watch. It is Heinz, the global food company, announcing first quarter revenue that missed estimates, earnings matching the preliminary number. Now, Heinz also reiterated its earnings forecast for this year, but you could see that stock was down in the pre-market.